Hello. Today we're gonna be making soupe de l'oignon, or onion soup. Today, it's Thursday. I wanted to explore more of my French roots, and this bread baked into the soupe. I found this on Instagram, to be clear, from this creator. Okay, so I'm not ripping off a recipe. I'm recreating this recipe. And yes, the description for the ingredients instructions is all in French. I don't speak French, but I had to translate that shit because I wanted to make it tonight for my mom and me. Grocery haul from Sprouts. I haven't done a grocery haul in so long because I don't be walking to the grocery store anymore. I have to drive. Chuckin' Organic Bitches Brew. Kinda love the name. Bitchin'. Little Saints Non-Alcoholic Negroni Spritz. Wow, I've never tried that. We're gonna try that right now. Many fucking onions. Turnips. Leek. Pretzels, because this shit's gonna take a long time. I need a snack. Bread. Bread of choice is super grain sourdough bread.
May I please have bread?
It's gluten-free. I never had sourdough gluten-free. So this is fun. This is exciting. Oh, and I bought chocolate-covered almonds, but in a cluster form, not those little balls. Like a chocolate turtle, but with almonds. So cute. Smells like a drink. What the fuck? It tastes like spicy cinnamon and cloves, but bitter. I don't know if I like that. You kind of sicken me, but I think over ice, it might be good. Let me look at this recipe again. All right. I think I have it down. Bitch. Chuckin'. I'm gonna get some gloves because this is kind of nasty. Like I need to clean my fingers because they're gonna get all slimy. Okay, they're gonna get it fucking disgusting. Ow, fucking hot. The wishbone. Look how cute that is. So kawaii. Ew. Is that mold? You see the gelatinous globulars on these carrots? What are you? Celery will be in replacement of the carrots. I don't care. I don't care. Okay, now that there's 6 onions in the atmosphere of my kitchen, I'm dying. My eyes are, Oh, let me show you my little plant. Little baby spider plant. He's living, he's really doing well. I look so pink right now.
If you guys could all smell the smells. It smells amazing.
Bomb.com. I'm gonna put this strainer in the bowl and get all the good juices into the bowl.
Good, my goodness. Oh, yum. I can't believe that was 6 onions.
I know, they really boil down.
They really do.
Sounds like the most boring show ever.
Wow.
Oh, it smells real good. Okay, also the video I was referencing is all in French. So the instructions, I kind of just like,
Oui.
Yeah, I said yes. We need something to cook the bowls in so that the cheese melts on the bread.
Oh, aren't they cute?
Yeah. It smells like nothing.
They're clean. Well, these are totally doable.
That's like the most baby serving ever, though.
It's 2 cups. This is 2 cups. Okay, we need to ask Santa for some new bowls for Christmas.
Santa needs to come to Target with us. Okay.
Okay.
Let's do. Now we have some bread.
Oh,
Plop.
so cute.
Plop.
See, these bowls are perfect. This is 2 cups. Okay, that one's not even.
What do you mean?
Is it supposed to be level? I mean, like
that?
the bread's sticking up. It's okay? Okay, perfect. I approve.
Okay.
That's the quality side of me. 1, 2, 3.
Look at that. Yeah. Don't smell it.
I have to smell it.
It smells like good.
What is it? Little Saints.
5 calories.
5 calories. Ready?
Nope. I was pouring in a cup.
What?
With
Don't
ice.
pour it in that.
It just had water in it.
How about a pretty glass? To the right. Right here. Now it's done.
Wait. I need to get on camera.
It's done, it's done, it's done. Dun, snap. These little pot holders suck.
When I lived in Pasadena, I used to use t-shirts because I didn't own pot holders.
What? I thought we went to Dollar Tree and got you some.
No, we got towels.
Ooh, la la. Isn't that fabuloso?
Bon appetit,
Just
madame.
hiccup.
Soupe à l'oignon. That's what it's called. Soupe à l'oignon.
Ooh, it's pretty. It's pink. Where's it from?
Sprouts.
No, I mean like, where's it made?
Oh, I don't know. Paris.
Yeah, of course. It's made in Paris.
Yeah.
It's kind of cinnamony.
That's what I thought. Like cloves.
Like really cinnamon. Like if you diluted a hot tamale in water. That's what you got.
Is it drinkable or do you not partake?
I'm gonna go back to Chardonnay. Mmm.
Real liquor.
Let me get plates. Plates.
Plates.
Plates. Plates. Hold on.
Stressful.
Oh, look at these cute eyes. Oh.
You're so beautiful. Enjoy your soup.
Sorry. We're gonna enjoy our soup. Onions are good.
Mmm.
Onions. And chicken.
Oh, I forgot to add the chicken.
Oh,
I'm a flop. Finger food.
like the breasties.
You know, I had a dream that Brooke's dad hired me and then I proved him wrong because I was his assistant and I'm like, I did print out those papers and I got in his face this close so our teeth were touching while I was talking to him and then he got the nerve to blow up the building. And that was my dream.
What does Brooke's dad do?
I don't even know him.
Oh,
So I'm like,
okay.
how am I employed by you?
I don't remember French onion soup having chicken in it, though.
Mine does.
Do we have dessert?
We have chocolate turtles.
Mmm.
Dark chocolate too, not milk chocolate.
Mmm.
And I already tasted them and they're bomb as fuck.
The only thing that sucks about cheese, it sticks to your spoon.
Sure does. I hope you enjoyed me making soupe à la bouillie.
Oui, oui.
More French cuisine to come, maybe. Maybe German, maybe,
Mediterranean.
who knows? Maybe Swedish.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Good job.
Thank you.
I appreciate you. And I love you.
Likewise.
Pew, pew, pew.